Time now to celebrate some birthdays this Monday morning, and we are beginning in Loma Linda with Cameron Borland, turning 4 years old today. Happy birthday, Cameron.
And what a cute dress she has on there. Let's see, Sebastian Pitts is celebrating birthday number 4 this year. I understand Sebastian is Grandma's rock star. And of course, Grandma's sending out the birthday love.
We've also got Averin Welch in Erie. She is turning 8 years old today. A very happy birthday to you.
And in Seneca, Rylan Murphy is celebrating birthday number 8 this year. Birthday wishes coming from Mommy, Daddy, Roman, Ryder, Raylan, and Manny.
We've also got Jackson Hamilton turning 14 today. Very happy birthday to you, Jackson.
A little bit of a belated birthday wish going out to James Shoulders. Hopefully you celebrated all weekend long. And as I understand, the award-winning James Shoulders in Oswego.
We've also got James's twin sister, Elizabeth Shoulders, turning 16 as well. And of course, their birthday was on Friday, but remember, that just means you get to celebrate even longer and even harder. So James and Elizabeth, happy birthday to you both.
And she's also the award-winning. See the blue ribbon there on the
I
picture?
do.
That's pretty cool. Congratulations to both of you. Taylor Model is celebrating birthday number 18 this year. What a great photo there of Taylor in St. Paul.
Over in Yates Center, we've got Thomas Cantrell turning 20. A very happy birthday to you, Thomas.
All right, and in Iola, Paula Otten turning 31 years old. And Paula, of course, celebrating in Iola.
And down in Farlington, Kansas, we've got Mindy Garner turning 50 years old today. A very happy birthday to you, Mindy, in Farlington.
Hope you have a wonderful 50th birthday. Who's also celebrating 50? This one in Galena, Mr. Buck Thomas. Happy birthday to you.
And what a birthday gift that Buck got. 15 years old today. Dalton Thomas, his son, celebrating with him in Galena. Talk about a great birthday gift to have your son born the exact same day as you. I can't imagine the celebration they're going to have today.
Yeah, party time in Galena. All right, and Jim Bowles in Columbus, happy birthday to you. That's a lovely picture there, Jim.
We also have our very own Jill Nelson. She's our traffic director. Now, if you're not familiar with TV, it doesn't mean that she stands out in front of the building and directs traffic. She is in charge of the commercials, the spots, the timing for the shows, everything that goes into the programming here at the station. She's one of the key people in charge of that. She makes sure things go where they should.
She literally keeps us in line.
Exactly. So
Yes.
She directs that kind of traffic. But she could direct regular traffic if she wanted to, I think.
Mm-hmm. And we'll give her the green light to celebrate today, for sure. Sorry, all right, happy birthday, Jill. And happy birthday going out to John Crane Sr. in Columbus, because party's in the bus, along with Seth Sullivan, who's also in Columbus.
Roxanne Out over in Crestline celebrating a birthday today. We've got Sam Pierce turning 25 in Miami, and Beckett Storm turning 8 in Jasper, the perfect last name for the upcoming forecast.
All right, that is pretty cool. All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can email them to us, submit them to birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And while you're there, why not take a moment and go ahead and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? You can do so at our website. You get great special deals from great local businesses, and all you have to do is go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.